Atongoi ma oka nimaususya mathangu na Kwikia Saii nikenda One Kenya Alliance Itwike Ngwatanio yake Uteti. Ateti ya Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka wa KANU Gideon Moi Karua na Kenya na Cyrus Jirongo measya kana nimeyumitye kuthi muvaka ileveni nikenda kwosa silikali itina musumbi Kenyatta kumina ivinda yake.
It has actually come. Karibuni, karibuni, karibuni. A round of applause to our excellencies.
Today is when we close one chapter of our journey and open another. And this chapter that we are closing, it has been a journey and an arduous journey. But by the grace of God and by your commitment to us, each one of you who are here and those who are not here with us, and by the absolute determination of the principles, we have reached here today.
We have bounced back stronger. We were 4 parties. We are 6 today and still counting because more are on the way. This is a coalition of the willing, and any coalition should be a coalition of the willing. A coalition demands openness, mutual respect, sharing of ideals. And when any party feels uncomfortable, they should be able, with notice to others, to walk away, because it is a coalition of the willing.
For a serious coalition agreement. And we have made it very clear. I can speak on behalf of Wiper, and I know my brothers and sisters have done the same, that we have had serious introspection, serious debate with regard to the prevailing political situation in our country. And we have no doubt in our minds that this country is more important than any of us. And we have made sacrifices before. We are ready to make more sacrifices. But we also expect the Kenyans who know that no individual is indispensable.
We cannot get enough of rounds of applause.